One way to measure success is to set up targets. Happy or Not Analytics allows admins to set up individual targets that performance can be measured against too. Targets can be set up for organization-wide, for any experience point, experience group, or for a survey. It's good to define targets based, for example, on industry's best practice. Because you're able to make targets visible in the same platform where the feedback data is, it's super easy to compare targets against your actual performance. Setting up targets is an excellent way towards improved customer satisfaction and experiences. To set up a target, go to Admin, Organization Settings. Under Customization Settings, make sure that Enable Target is set as Yes. Then go to Experience Points section. Here, you can set a target for the home group of the organization or for group or an experience point under the organization. It's possible to set unique targets for different groups and experience points or use the same target for all. In this example, we are setting a target for a group. Click on the three dots and then Settings. Scroll down to Default Target. Click Edit and open the Target drop-down menu and select a value from the list. The values on the list are the same as what index you're using in Analytics. Lastly, click Save. The default target value will now be used in all new surveys and experience points created for this group. It's good to note that the default value is not inherited to existing surveys. If you'd like to get some help in defining what target would suit your organization, please click this link to learn more and get recommendations. If you'd like to set a target for an existing survey, click on Surveys. Go ahead and choose the survey you want to set a target for. On the right, you can see the target icon and value. Let's click on this group and set a target for it. Click on the target icon and select a target value from the list. You can easily set the same target for all experience points in the same group by ticking this box. Done. Now you have set a target for this group and all experience points under it. Finally, let's have a look how the target looks like in Quick View. In the Summary widget, you can see that a target has been set. If the target is met, it will show up in green, and if not, it's in red. Once you've achieved your targets, make sure to celebrate and make it visible to others. Next, reach for the stars and go even beyond the original target.